Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to set up a passcode in your iPhone and require it immediately for better security. To put a password in your iPhone, open Settings, scroll down, then tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, and select Turn Passcode on. Enter a 6-digit code, then confirm it. Then it will require you to type in your Apple account password. After setting your passcode, scroll down to require passcode and choose immediately so your iPhone locks as soon as the screen turns off. And that's it. That's how you can set and secure your iPhone passcode with just a few steps.